Is Monopoly Go giving you a hard time by not loading on your Android device? We've all been there. Excited to pass Go, collect those elusive dollars, and suddenly your game refuses to load. Worry not. In this guide, I'll explain how to fix Monopoly Go not loading on Android by taking you through a series of steps and troubleshooting to get you back to playing in no time. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Before diving into app-specific issues, ensure your internet connection is stable. Monopoly Go needs a reliable connection to load data from its servers. Start by checking your Wi-Fi or mobile data connection. You can do this by loading a web page in your browser. If it's sluggish, restart your router or toggle your mobile data off and on. For best results, connect to a stable Wi-Fi network. Step 2. Clear cache and data. Apps sometimes accumulate cache that can cause loading issues. Clearing the cache and data for Monopoly Go can often resolve these problems. Head to your Android device's settings. Tap on Apps or Application Manager. Find Monopoly Go and then select Storage. Here you'll see options to clear the cache and data. Tap on them and then restart the app. Remember, clearing data will reset the game settings, so you may need to log in again. Step 3. Ensure sufficient storage space. Like many apps, Monopoly Go needs enough storage to run smoothly. If your device is low on storage, it can lead to loading issues. Check your storage settings and ensure there's enough space available. If not, consider deleting unnecessary files or apps to free up some space. This simple step can often resolve loading issues. Step 4. Update the app and software. Running outdated apps or software can lead to compatibility issues. For Monopoly Go, ensure you're using the latest version. Visit the Google Play Store, search for Monopoly Go, and check if an update is available. Similarly, ensure your Android device is running the latest software. Updated systems generally fix known bugs that might be causing problems. Step 5. Reinstall the app. If the above steps don't work, try uninstalling and reinstalling Monopoly Go. While this might seem drastic, it can help eliminate any corrupt files that are causing the app fail. Go to your settings, tap Apps or Application Manager, find Monopoly Go and select Uninstall. After removing it, head back to the Google Play Store and reinstall it. This often resolves persistent loading problems. Troubleshooting app issues might seem daunting at first. Addressing these common problems can quickly resolve your issues with Monopoly Go not loading on Android. By checking your internet connection, clearing cache and data, ensuring sufficient storage, updating apps and software, and finally reinstalling the app if necessary, you're equipped to tackling the loading dilemma. Enjoy passing Go and racking up those Monopoly dollars. Keep your smartphone optimized and happy gaming.